Howdy FPB fam, this is your boy Scorp, and right here, this is from last year's DRL, BMW Welt. I'm falling in love with this sim, even though it's been out for years. I just downloaded it a couple of weeks ago, and this is the only sim I've been playing. It's hard for me to judge which is the best sim right now. I can tell you that I am in love with the maps. And also because I downloaded the 2016 season. I'm watching it on Amazon Prime. It cost me 20 bucks, but it's worth it. I'm almost done with it. So combined with buying the 2016 season on Amazon and the fact that I love all these maps, I've put in a good 15 hours so far in the last 3 weeks. I know some of you guys probably have put in a lot more because maybe you have a lot more time. Maybe you're a teen. I'm not. I got a family. I got to work. But kudos to you if you can put the time in. So without further ado, check out this map. I'm not very good, I'll say that much. There's a lot of room for improvement, but this is a pretty cool game. I mean, the racing looks legit. All the neon, all the lights, the maps, and the fact that these are actual maps that they had in real racing makes the game really fun. So this is actually my best time so far. You'll see that I miss a bunch of gaps, a bunch of gates. I have to restart my drone sometimes, but it's a lot of fun. Here we go.